Hey everybody, welcome to the How to PC channel. In this video, we will talk about Seoptimer. I will show you the full functionality of the website and we will tell you how this website can be helpful for you. As you can see, the Seoptimer is a free SEO audit tool that will perform a detailed SEO analysis across 100 website data points and provide clear and actionable recommendations. So let's take a closer look. Just click on this link. By the way, if you would like to open this website, you can just copy this URL and paste it in the browser, seoptimer.com. Okay, here is the homepage. So right in the center you can see the field. So here you can enter an URL address and get a free website analysis. So let's try to analyze a website. For example, we can just copy their link and paste it right here. So let's do it and click on audit. Today we will also talk about pricing, what plans this website provides. Okay, and here is the result. So audit results for seoptimer.com. So your page is good, recommendations 10. Now I'm gonna scroll down a bit and here you can see a lot of metrics. For example, on page SEO, B+, links, A+, usability, C, performance, A+, and social, A+. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit. Here is a lot of recommendations for our website. For example, optimize for core web vitals. And of course, if you click on it, here you can see more information about this point. Also, reduce length of title tag to between 50 and 60 characters. Shorten meta description, remove duplicate H1 tags, and so on. But as you can see, only these 4 options have medium priority. On page SEO results, so here you can see more information about this topic. Here you can find a lot of helpful advices from Seoptimer. Also here you can see your individual keywords, which you can use for your website to optimize it. In the rankings field, you can see your top 10 keyword rankings in the specific location, your total traffic from search, so it's pretty good value, to be honest. Of course, all your links to your website from other resources, for example, from GitHub, from WordPress, and other websites. Here is the field where you can read more about usability, how to optimize it. If your website doesn't have a version for mobile users, it severely degrades usability. Of course, more about performance results, about social results, and local SEO. Technology results, and the last field is review child pages. To be honest, it's a really big review and it can be really helpful for website creators. Okay, now I would like to show you how the homepage of this website looks like. So here you can read more about their features, about their benefits, and after that let's talk about pricing. So you can click on pricing at the very top. As you can see, there are free plans. You can use your free trial for any plan. For example, if you would like to try a white label plan, just click right here and try it. As you can see, the first plan is DIY SEO for $29 per month, or if you pay annual, the price is $21.75 per month. So ideal for your website, simple do-it-yourself SEO, software that crawls your site for problems, recommends tasks, and tracks rankings. The next plan is white label for $39 per month or for $29 per month. So great for marketers. Generate white label PDF reports with your own company logo, branding, text, and check selections in 15 languages. Crawl multiple websites for issues. And the last plan is white label and embedding for $59 per month. All white label features, plus build a custom embed audit form to generate leads straight from your site and send them to your inbox or other systems. And of course, just below you can find the comparison of these plans. Okay, very interesting. And of course, frequently asked questions. If you have any questions, you can just click on this icon at the bottom right and click on messages. And of course, here you can send message to Seoptimer support. Just type it here and send it. To create an account on this website, you need to click on login at the top right and click on sign up just below this field. Now type your first name, last name, company name, email address and password. Check to these checkboxes and click on next. And the last thing I would like to show you is the features tab. So here you can read more about their features: keyword research, backlink research, SEO crawler, bulk reporting, keyword tracking, backlink monitoring, API, and free tools. So it was a really short video about Seoptimer, but I hope it was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.